Hello, students and audit managers. Welcome in this AAA class. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you people how your course of AAA will look like on your VLS portal. But before that, I would like to display once again this course outline, which I have already covered in my previous video. And this is your AAA syllabus. And this is your detailed syllabus. All right. Now, the syllabus is on section wise. The syllabus is from the side of ACCA and it is section wise. This is your Kaplan study text. And in your Kaplan study text, you can see that there are chapters. There are chapters in the Kaplan study text. Now, Kaplan have the Kaplan study text includes the course according to chapter wise. But I have designed your AAA course on your VLS portal section wise. Let's see the difference. But the content is same, obviously. Obviously, the content is same. I should display the website of VLS. This is your course. This is your Vertex Learning Solution course curriculum. These are demo lessons. You can explore it. This is AAA resources. I'm not going on that. This is section 1 introduction. This is the section. This is section, not the chapter. This is section. All right. Next, this is the planning phase of the audit. Now, as you all know that audit is being run according to the audit cycle. There is planning, performing the audit, review, and then a report. And so your course curriculum on your VLS portal is based on this particular section wise, not the chapter wise. Now see the difference. This is planning phase. There are 12 lessons in it. 12 lessons. You can explore it. There are 12 lessons. And then this is a section of performing audit and collecting the evidence. Then group audit, further 4 lessons. Now the difference. This is section 5. Its name is ethics, practice, and quality management. Now this is the ethics, quality, and practice management. There are 2 sections in it. But on your VLS portal, I have designed this thing in a single section. This is ethics, practice, and quality management. See that in Kaplan study text, it is ethics, quality management, practice management. There are 3 different chapters, but you will find these 3 chapters or these 3 topics on your VLS portal under the section number 5. This is ethics, practice, and quality management. 8 lessons. If you can explore this, you can see the ethics. This is ethics, practice management, part 1, practice management, part 2, quality management. Now your VLS portal includes all the contents, but not the chapter wise as in the Kaplan study text. No, this is based on section wise. So it is highly advised to watch these lectures according to the serial. Now there is another difference. You can see that there is a topic, prospective financial information, due diligence, these are 3 different topics, 3 different chapters, but you can find this in other assignment section. If you can explore this, you will find these things like due diligence, prospective financial information. There are different chapters in the Kaplan study text, and there are different sections on your VLS portal, and the section might be added based on the further exam question practice, further past paper practice, further live sessions. So how to make your AAA journey smooth and you have to watch these lectures objectively rather than following the contents of either BPP or Kaplan study text, because I have designed the course based on the sections, based on the topics, based on some core areas. Now this is the planning phase, and you know that planning phase is very much important. So now what is the message through this video? That is, you should watch your lectures serial wise as it is designed on your VLS portal, so that your AAA journey will be smooth. I hope you do understand. If you have any query, you can freely contact me. Okay, good luck.